Yes, we have a very beautiful exponential equation. How do we obtain the value of x? Here is the solution. So let's rewrite the equation. We have x raised to power 2 over 3 plus x raised to power 1 over 3 equals to 2. But this guy, which is x raised to power 2 over 3, we can write it in form of x raised to power 1 over 3. This is what I mean. X raised to power 2 over 3 is the same thing as writing x raised to power 1 over 3 times 2. Because when we use 2 to multiply 1, we have 2 over 3, which is the same thing as what we have on the left. So yeah, this implies that we have x raised to power 1 over 3, everything times 2, power of 2, plus x raised to power 1 over 3 equals to 2. You observe that we have x raised to power 1 over 3 here, this likewise here, but this one has the power of 2. So now let's suppose y equals to x raised to power 1 over 3. So it implies that anywhere we see x raised to power 1 over 3, we just plug in y. So we have y squared plus y equals 2. This implies y squared plus y minus 2 when this guy comes to the left side. Now we can factorize this guy. So we have y squared plus 2y minus y minus 2 equals 0. Y is common, we can pull it out. We have y into y plus 2 minus 1 into y plus 2 equals 0. So y plus 2 is common, we can pull it out, and y minus 1, which is simply equals to 0. This implies that the value of y equals to minus 2 or y equals to positive 1. But in this case, we are going to consider the positive when y equals to 1. So when y equals to 1, what is the value of x? Don't forget, we let y to be equals to x raised to power 1 over 3. So in place of y, we just put 1. So we have 1 equals x raised to power 1 over 3 into this expression. Let me call it equation 1. So suppose we put y equals to 1 into equation 1. So we have 1 equals to x raised to power 1 over 3. Now, when we take a cube of both sides, that is, we have x raised to power 1 over 3 or cube. So we have 1 on the left, that's 1 raised to power 3, just 1. X raised to power 1 over 3, so in this case we have x raised to power 3 over 3. 3 times 1, so we have 1 to be equals 3 cancels 1, 3, so we have x equals to 1. So the value of x for this problem is simply x equals to 1. Sorry for that. How do we check if what we have done is right? So the value of x is 1. Let's plug into this equation. When x is 1, we have 1 into 2 over 3 plus 1 into 1 over 3. 1 raised to power 2 over 3 is simply 1 plus 1 raised to power 1 over 3, that's just 1. So 1 plus 1, that's 2, which is what we have on the right hand side. So the value of s in this equation is simply 1. So that's it. Thanks for watching.